Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into NissanConnect EV for charging and timer settings step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your NissanConnect EV account credentials handy. Open the NissanConnect EV app on your smartphone. On the app's home screen, locate and tap the login button. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully. Once both fields are completed, tap on the Sign In button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your email for a verification code. Enter the verification code into the appropriate field. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. To access charging settings, look for the Charging tab on the screen. Tap the Charging tab to open the related menu options. From here, you can view charging station locations and start new charging sessions. To set a timer for charging, go back to the main dashboard. Find the timer or charging schedule option and tap it. Select Add Timer or New Schedule. Choose your desired start time and duration for charging. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, tap Save to confirm the timer settings. Your NissanConnect EV app is now ready for use with your charging and timer settings configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.